Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. Today we will talk about separator in Python programming. At first, I write here print and between two parentheses 1, 2, 3. Let's run. It print on the screen 1, 2, 3, and between them just a blank space. And if I want to separate the numbers with dash, I write print and between two parentheses 1, 2, 3 and comma SEP equal and between two single quotes dash. The separator that I want to separate those numbers. Let's try. It print 1, 2, 3 and between them dash. And if I want to change that dash to 8, for example 8, it will print 1, 2, 3 and between them the separator will be 8. And that's it. The separator is about separating the values with a special character like 8, dash, underscore, anything that I want. And it will make a separator for numbers or letters, anything that I want. And that's it. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to press like button, share the video and subscribe for more videos, inshallah.